The Redmi K Pad is shaping up to be a compelling compact flagship tablet, aiming squarely at the high-performance, portable tablet market, notably challenging the likes of the Apple iPad mini and Lenovo Legion Y700. Its focus is clearly on delivering top-tier performance and a premium experience in a smaller form factor. Performance, excellent. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset and up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The Redmi K Pad is a powerhouse. Early Geekbench scores confirm its flagship-grade performance, placing it on par with or even exceeding other top-tier Android tablets. This makes it ideal for demanding applications, multitasking, and especially high-end gaming. Display impressive. The 8.8-inch 3K in 8.8X IPS LCD with a 165Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support is a standout feature. Early tests show brightness levels of up to 610 nits in high brightness mode, ensuring a vibrant and smooth visual experience. The use of dual driver ICs is also a positive for display optimization. While not OLED, for users sensitive to PWM dimming or concerned about burn-in, the high-quality LCD is a strong advantage. Cooling, effective. Xiaomi has implemented a substantial 12,050mm² aluminum alloy liquid-cooled VC thermal management system. This is crucial for sustained performance, especially during intense gaming sessions, and early reports indicate better heat dissipation compared to some larger tablets. Design and build quality, premium. The unibody metal design with a sandblasted finish, thin 6.46mm profile, and lightweight, 336 grams, suggest a premium and highly portable device. Audio, good. Custom ultra-thin 4-voice coil symmetrical dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support promise a rich audio experience for media consumption and gaming. Connectivity, modern. Dual USB Type-C 3.2 ports with DisplayPort support are a welcome addition, offering versatility for connecting peripherals and external displays. Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6 are also standard. Battery and charging, solid. The 7500 mAh battery, split into 2 cells, combined with 67 watts wired fast charging and bypass charging, should provide good endurance and quick top-ups. Early tests show a 1 to 100% charge in about 61 minutes. Camera, basic. With a 13-megapixel rear and 8-megapixel front camera, the K Pad's camera setup is likely functional for video calls and basic photography, but it won't be a strong point compared to dedicated camera devices. This is typical for tablets, but worth noting. MediaTek for emulation. While the Dimensity 9400 Plus is incredibly powerful for general gaming, some emulation communities have historically preferred Snapdragon chipsets due to better driver optimization and open-source support for certain emulators. However, the raw power of the 9400 Plus should still handle most emulation scenarios very well. Early gaming tests pitting the Redmi K Pad against rivals like the Lenovo Legion Y700, 4th Gen, and Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro show the K Pad holding its own with excellent frame rates in demanding titles like Genshin Impact and Honor of Kings. Crucially, the Dimensity 9400 Plus demonstrates superior power efficiency, leading to lower power draw and cooler operating temperatures during extended gaming sessions. This makes it a very attractive option for mobile gamers. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.